Hey guys, consistent characters have finally arrived in Leonardo AI. Here you can see we have created multiple consistent characters using Leonardo AI. You can also create, let's take a look. Log in to Leonardo AI. Here you can see multiple tools like image generation, real-time canvas, canvas editor, motion, real-time generation, and universal upscale. Click on the image generation tool. It will redirect you to a newly updated module. In this module, click on the image icon. Here, we have multiple categories of image guidance, like image to image, style reference, content reference, character reference, depth to image, and edge to image. You can see the difference between the source and the results. Through this guidance, AI generates more relevant images. We are going to work in character reference. Click on it, then press the confirm button. It is asking you to upload an image. I already uploaded this image to it. So this is my character, which I uploaded to this website. We're going to create more images of this character as a reference. After uploading, click on this arrow. You can select the accuracy type from this drop-down, like low, mid, and high. Currently, I am selecting low accuracy. Now I am adding an image prompt to it. I have already created it, so I am copying it and pasting it into the image prompt box. A man in the foreground, his strong, muscular build evident, and his traditional Uzuri attire marked with tribal symbols, a gleaming sword in his hand, ready for battle. After adding it, click on this drop-down. These platform presets are anime, cinematic kino, concept art, graphic design, illustrative albedo, Leonardo lightning, lifelike vision, portrait perfect, and stock photography. You can select any one of them according to your requirements. I am selecting a concept art preset. And preset style. I have selected the character sheet. You can select any one of them from the list. You can select image contrast according to your choice. In generation mode, we can select fast or quality. In image dimensions, select the aspect ratio for the platform you want. In number of images, select the number of variations you want to create. After setting all this, click on the Generate button. Let's see the final results. So you can see the consistency rate is low. That's why it is not matching exactly with the character I uploaded, but still, it looks close enough. Now I am selecting mid-accuracy to check consistency. Click the Generate button. Our final results are here. The accuracy rate of the character is pretty good. The face expressions and the look are pretty similar to my uploaded characters. Let's create with high accuracy. Click the Generate button. It might take time to generate it, so have some patience. So these are the final results with high accuracy. Wow, it looks so amazing. The high accuracy created the same character consistency. The face is completely accurate, as is the body shape. I have created 3 types of characters, and you can see their accuracy rate. You can also create consistent characters with character references like this. You will definitely like it. Thanks for watching my video. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.